How to get TikTok live stream key on Streamlabs OBS. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this you will have to open up the Streamlabs official website, and you can also open it up in the mobile device by searching it up on the Play Store or App Store. Just search for Streamlabs and download the application. You can also download the application on your desktop, and after downloading it, just simply create your account, and after creating your account, log into your account, and at the top left hand side you would be able to find three lines. Simply click on it, then open up the account settings, and there you would be able to find TikTok in that particular list. Simply select TikTok and log into your TikTok account. After that you would be able to find the key. Simply copy it and paste it up on the streaming software that you are going to use in order to do the live streams for your TikTok. And this way you would be able to live stream using the key for your live streaming, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.